Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send XTZ from Kukai Wallet and laptop. Kukai Wallet is a web-based Tezos wallet designed for the desktop and laptop users. It lets you store XTZ, Tezos, send and receive XTZ, interact with Tezos apps, manage tokens and contracts. Kukai Wallet works directly in your browser without installing software. You access it using your phrases, mnemonics, password, ledger hardware wallet. Before you can send XTZ, you must have access to your sign-in wallet. In order to send XTZ from your Kukai Wallet on laptop, first you need to open to any of the web browser you prefer, Google, Safari or the Edge. On the top there's an address bar. What you can do is type down wallet.kukai.app and select enter after you're done. And once you reach into this interface of your Kukai Wallet, you can find your Tezos over here. This is either for your sending option, XTZ panel, you can send or transfer, and if send is visible you can only see receive or plus, then wallet is not unlocked for signing. That is it. You can also send the transaction. After clicking on send, you'll find the send. A form opens with recipient address field, amount XTZ, estimated network, and you are now on the correct send screen. And that is it. You can send, click confirm, approve your password, ledger device approval, and your Kukai Wallet now broadcasts the transaction to the Tezos blockchain. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you to send XTZ from Kukai Wallet on laptop. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.